All right, today I guess we're changing another battery. Today we're changing the battery on a 2009 Hyundai Genesis 3.8. Okay, first of all, the battery is located not in the hood, not in the front hood, but in the back, in the trunk. Let's open it up and take a look. Throw that away, we don't need that. This one's relatively easy to remove. It's just being held by 3 bolts. One on the negative terminal, 10 mil. One underneath the positive terminal, underneath this box, another 10 mil. And the bracket that's being held by a 12 millimeter bolt. But today, we're gonna cheat. We're gonna use raw power. 10 millimeter socket on a drill and a 12 millimeter socket. I lied. There's actually 3 bolts, 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and this one. Don't forget to disconnect. Disconnect the vent. And then we just use raw power to get it out. New battery goes in. Followed by the bracket. Hand tighten and then drill. Positive terminal first. Don't forget, we can add the felt from the other battery, or we can buy new ones. And don't forget to add dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. $10 mil. Until it's good and tight. Don't forget the connector. Dielectric grease. Don't forget the vent. Okay, and then we just put it back together. Now, we throw the battery away. Just kidding. They say recycle. I don't believe that they actually do. But that's just my thing. And then we fire it up to see if we did a good job. it again. We successfully installed the battery.